Peter Pettigrew's death in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1 was different from the book. The film changed the scene from J.K. Rowling's novel. Deathly Hallows Part 1 covered roughly two-thirds of the material in the final novel, beginning with the Harry's exit from Privet Drive and ending with the death of Dobby the house elf, following a close escape from captivity in Manor of Malfoy. Shortly before Dobby's demise, however, another important character exited the story permanently, Peter Pettigrew. In both book and film, the lead up to the Pettigrew's death is the same. Harry, Ron and a few other allies were trapped in the Malfoy cellar when Harry decides to use the remaining shard of a magical mirror, which was given by his godfather Sirius Black, to call for help. The help came in the form of Dobby, who helped the gang form a plan to escape the cellar and save Hermione, who was being tortured by the Bellatrix Lestrange. The difference between book and film comes after Dobby makes a racket that causes Lestrange to send Peter Pettigrew down to the cellar to check on her captives. In the film, Pettigrew's death is largely played for a comic relief as Peter enters the cellar and is hit with the spell by Dobby from the back. As he falls face first, it almost makes it ambiguous as to whether or not Pettigrew dies, except that the character never appears in the movies following that fall. In the book, Pettigrew goes to choke Harry but hesitates, which the enchanted hand given to him by the Voldemort interrupts as weakness. The enchanted hand then turned on Pettigrew and strangled him to death. Pettigrew's book death was deemed too frightening for younger film audience, leading to the virgin scene in the 7th Harry Potter film. While the movie producers may have been trying to protect younger viewers, they did a disservice to the story arc for Harry and Wormtail. The moment was set up in Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban when Harry chooses to stop Sirius Black from killing Pettigrew and allow him to live. This also allowed Pettigrew the opportunity to escape and return to Voldemort. In the book Deathly Hallows, Harry reminds Pettigrew of the life debt that he owed to Harry, causing the hesitation. The magical hand having been created by Voldemort may have been recognized that having a servant with a life debt to Voldemort's worst enemy was dangerous, and so it eliminated the threat, ironically saving Harry's life in the process. Even aside from the violence of the death that might frighten young viewers, the filmmakers may have felt they were asking too much of audience to remember the mercy Harry showed to Pettigrew in the 3rd film. They may also have been afraid of alienating those audience members who had not read the books, even though the movies also showed Harry's mercy to Pettigrew by altering Pettigrew's death in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1. The filmmaker minimized J.K. Rowling's attention to details in her written shown by this turn of events and also lost an opportunity to show how Harry's ability to do the right things paid off later in life. And as per my perception, this was the really worst scene in the Harry Potter Deathly Hallows Part 1. We even don't get clarified that Peter Pettigrew's dead or alive. It was just a funny scene to watch. So thanks a lot for watching Parallax. So this was the video about Peter Pettigrew's death in book versus movie. I hope you liked this video, and if you really did, then please like and subscribe to this channel if you are new here, because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. And what's your opinion about Peter Pettigrew's death in the Harry Potter movies? Let me know in the comment section, because as far as I concern, he deserved really a cruel death. I mean, just see what he have done to the others, like Harry Potter's parents and Cedric Diggory. By seeing these all circumstances, I really think he deserved an iconic death. Anyway, what's your thoughts about it? Let me know in the comment section. And now I will see you in my next one. But before ending the video, if you are not following me on Instagram, then please follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description, where I upload funny Harry Potter memes. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay away from the muggles.